But we can't eat. I haven't there's something that I don't like, but I'm okay. Not bad. I can see the height is not exactly the same, but okay. We have got it. Much better. Nice. I think okay. Do we have any test briefing this week? Nope, it seems we are fine. Now I will ask AI add I will rely on AI as well because yeah, I can't use a lot of tests with me. In the meantime,
All right, welcome to the second chapter where we're going to understand UI design fundamentals. And if you think about it, if you were a bodybuilder, would you completely skip legs if you wanted to win a show? Of course you wouldn't. So in much the same way, we're not going to just jump in to really complex UI designs. We're first going to establish and lay the foundation of UI design fundamentals. And that is white space, color and contrast, scale and alignment, topography, and visual hierarchy. And we're going to go over each one of these through different challenges, especially throughout the course, so that you can lay and understand that great foundation. Without an understanding of these more abstract concepts, you simply won't be a great designer. All right, so in the next lesson, we're going to cover white space. Welcome to this lesson where we're going to talk about the first UI design fundamental, which is white space. Now, before we begin, I wanted to note that there isn't one UI design fundamental that's more important than the other. I'm just arbitrarily choosing to start to talk about white space here. So white space, sometimes referred to as negative space, is the empty space between the elements in your user interface. It's very simple. It's just basically a void of space, but that's really what gives your layout structure. So coming over here, we have two examples. We have two cards, and right now they're designed exactly the same. And there's something wrong with them, and that is, you guessed it, white space or negative space. Now, we could see white space all over the place in the absent areas of these cards. This would be referred to as white space. And in fact, if we're just looking at this layout with two cards here in the mini browser, there is good amount of white space between these elements. But what about inside? So we see this very little white space between the text elements and this container, and also between the title and the paragraph. So actually there's three areas where we're going to improve the white space, and you're going to see just how much better this ends up looking. So that's why white space is so important. So just taking a quick look at the HTML, there's nothing fancy happening here. We have two cards. One of them has a secondary class so that I can target specifically in CSS. So let's hop on over to our index.css here. And all this right here, this CSS,
It is so cool because this is actually interactive editor. I can make this red. Pretty cool stuff.
we're not going to worry about. We're going to come down here, and I'm going to target that secondary class in order to improve this card over here in terms of the white space. So the first thing I want to do is to increase the white space that's inside of this container. So I'm going to say secondary, and that will target the card itself. And we're going to say padding. Now, when it comes to defining white space in CSS, the primary properties in this type of context would be padding and margin. Now, there's other ways to define white space using CSS, but we'll get to those later. But for now, it's going to be padding because that's the inside of the element. So what if I just say padding 1 EM? All right. By the way, the M unit is what I suggest using in this type of context for padding. As you could see, we'll see in the future that the font size that's set on the body property, which by default is 16 pixels, when it comes to responsive design, we can simply reset that font size property, and all of our margin using M units and padding and any other element that has the M unit will grow in relation to it. So it is a flexible unit. So we have padding 1 M unit, and we can already see it looks quite a bit better. It may not be perfect, but really, I think we can bump it up a notch, even in this context of the mini browser. So we can bump it up to 1.5. That's looking pretty good right there. I would say that's probably around the sweet spot. So I want you to realize that there is a lot of subjectivity in terms of the choices you make in your UI design fundamentals. And certainly that's the case with our white space, but there's also objectivity. This would be, 0 EM would be objectively horrible. I would say this right here, if we choose to go 1.3 all the way up to perhaps 1.9, that's a sweet spot. And let's go ahead also and improve secondary. We'll take our H1 element. And so let's do margin bottom, and we'll say 0.5 EM. All right, so we've also increased the white space and improved it between the title and the paragraph, which looks so much better. Now, there's also white space between the lines of the text, and this is called leading. And the CSS property for that, we'll target the P element, would be line height. Now, by default, we can put at 1 EM, but we need to increase this maybe by about 1.5. So now, overall, this card right here looks so much better, and the only UI design fundamental that we changed is white space. In this lesson, we're going to talk about alignment. So alignment in UI design is the process of ensuring that every element, and that element could be a simple button or piece of type or anything, essentially, is positioned correctly in relation to other elements. Now that might sound a little bit confusing, but you should have a good idea by the end of this lesson. So let's take a look at an example. So in our mini browser, we can see that we have this user interface. And in terms of all UI design fundamentals, everything's good except one thing, and that is alignment. So we can see that we have really 4 elements that exist in this UI. We have a logo, we have a headline, we have this element, and then we have this button right here. And they all seem to be off a little bit in terms of their alignment, and it really does throw things quite off. So going back to our code, if I go to the index.css, we'll see I have the regular code to achieve this layout, and then at the bottom here, I have an improvements section right here, and also this column area. Now I'm going to change this alpha opacity to 1 instead of 0, and it's going to show us this column right here. And this column has a border, and you need to think of every element that is in your user interface as having a series of rows and columns. So going back to the slides, each element in a UI defines these series of rows and columns. So here's an example that shows both a row extending out from some company, this first element up here, and a column. Now, if we keep on going on, we'll see that this element, which is the headline, also has a column, and this as well also has a column. So really, we're working with 3 different columns across these 4 different elements. So going back to our code, let's go ahead and try to fix those issues. So I'm just simply going to take this comment out. Welcome to your very first challenge. So in the previous lessons, we discussed white space and alignment. So in this challenge, I'm going to ask you to improve the white space and alignment issues that are presented within these cards. So going to the CSS here, at the bottom, you can see we have this comment here. Use the following properties to fix the alignment and white space issues on the rule sets below this comment. So here's a few of the suggested CSS properties that you can use to fix the issue.
Okay, let's see. Are you actually correct? I'm really tired, guys. I'm really, really tired today. not terribly bad. I think not bad at all. So I discovered toolbox.